Hello, I'm Dr. Cynthia Talao. I will be presenting my postdoctoral work on guidelines for urban planners, specifically related to soundscape consequences of urban decisions. So, sound plays a critical role in shaping the urban experience. However, it is rarely considered proactively in city making, and that is due partially to a lack of resources and knowledge. And to try and bridge that gap, the soundscape field has tried to integrate soundscape knowledge into urban practice, including through offering concrete directions. Usually, soundscape researchers make a diagnosis of a space, establish how people experience that space, and then those results can be used by urban planners. I'm trying to take it from the other end, where I look at recommendations for interventions, and looking at those recommendations, I try to, think through how they can impact the soundscape. And I think that's a very powerful way to approach this because it mirrors how city makers plan their projects and give them a tool that can, fit their practice. This project is quite exploratory. It's really a proof of concept. And so I've gone through one guide so far, and that's the Urban Street Design Guide, which is developed by the US National Association of City Transportation Officials. And so I went through and listed all those design recommendations, and then I assessed each of them on how it could potentially impact the soundscape. So, in conclusion, I'm aiming to create a guide that looks like and frames the information in a way that urban practitioners know and understand and can implement in their own practice, in their own workflow. To do that, I will be conducting interviews with city makers, specifically, related to urban street design, and try to extend it to other design guides. And then I also want to try and do that again with other types of urban interventions. Thank you for listening.